Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain about how to delete record in database from servlet by taking the input from the HTML page. Okay, so here first I'm opening my database and I'm showing that I have created one account table, right, which contains two records, 101 and 102. By giving that by giving these details like a number, I want to delete that record completely. So I'm opening my Eclipse, and I'm creating one project, a dynamic web project, and here it is a delete detail. Suppose project name, let's make it finish. Just create one HTML file, that is input.html file, and I have already present which is created for the previous application input. The same details I'm taking here. Here I'll show you. Just taking enter account number, taking that number, and I'm just changing that delete record. So the servlet also delete record, delete servlet. I'm taking delete servlet. Now, I'm creating that. Here it is. I'm creating the servlet also. Creating the servlet. Delete servlet. I'm creating new servlet is a delete servlet. I'm not giving any package name. Delete servlet and finish. Here it is in the delete servlet. Everything just to remove these things, all the errors to remove. Just right click on build path. In a module path, adding external jars, that is servlet API. We know this process because we have seen in last two videos. I'm just now I want to get the information from the HTML and I want to delete. Right? Anyway, right here, just delete information I want to display. What is the method we are using? Simply get method we are using. The same method we are writing here. Remaining things I'm just removing. Only the get method. That is. Now, first we need to collect the data. We know that how to collect the data. Integer number equals to integer dot parsing, because the input we are collecting in a string format that I'm converting into integer form. Request dot get parameter, and here the number you have given, the same number you are passing here, number. Okay, yes. After that, we need to connect with the database. So the database connectivity code also I have explained in the previous video while displaying the details. So I'm collecting everything from that. Just print writer. The required code I'm collecting from the previous video to give the messages, and then class dot for name loading everything up to catch. I'm collecting and I'm placing in this one. Let me close now. Small modifications. Loading the driver, establish the connection. Now it's not select, it's delete. Delete from account. Account where number is. Query is a prepared statement, same the number we are setting, and here ps dot execute update, and return type is integer. If the record is deleted, it will return count equals to 1. Just how many records updated it will return. So if it is updated, nothing, but if it is deleted, count will be 1. So if or else 0. If count is greater than 0, yes, record deleted successfully. Direct message. Record deleted successfully. Else, invalid record details given. For any reason exception comes, okay, exception. This is the simple way. And you need to place OJDBC 5.jar file into the lib folder. So in source, main, web app, webinf, lib, just paste it. Now it is there. So you can run the project now. Just when you run the application, unnecessary import statements remove. We copied the code, that's why. Run on server. Now just restart the server and see, enter account number 102. Delete the record. See, record deleted successfully message came. Now I'm showing that I'm moving to that SQL area. Again, the same query I'm passing. Look at this. 102 record got deleted. Only 101 is there. This is the simple way of deleting the record by taking the input from the HTML page. Hope you understood. Thank you.